Working on this white feeding the birds, feeding the baby birds cuckoo. A couple little things I wanted to finish working on after I hung it on the wall and watched it for a little while. And one of my good friends, Mark Munnerlin, noticed on the video that I posted that this bellow was moving up and down when the wire was moving up and down. When I got it, this screw was backed out a little bit, and I thought, okay, it's just worked its way out. When I put it back together, it's a little bit stripped. When I put it in all the way, it doesn't stay tight. So I've got to take this out and fill that hole in, make it tight again. And that's what I'm going to work on today. I feel like when they had it worked on before, they had it, the person that worked on it changed the screws out, because I don't think that these Phillips head screws that it had on the movement and on the music box, on the bellows, were the right ones. Let's see if I can slip this guy out of here without bending everything to pieces. So there's the hole, too big. It'll catch a little bit, but it's not tight. So when I've come in across this before, the movement holding screws are too big, or something like this. I haven't come into this before, but I'll take some wood filler and I'll take some Gorilla Glue to mix them together to fill in that hole. This Gorilla Glue, this wood filler will fill in the hole, but it's soft and crumbly when it dries. Like, you'll get one time that you can tighten the screw in it and then it's going to be crumbling away, but the Gorilla Glue will make it be harder. You can take other things. You can take little wood shims and put in there, which would be fine if it was a case, because it wouldn't matter, but I don't want anything sticking out on the inside of this hole. So I'm just going to force some of that in the hole and let it dry. And I filled in this lower nail hole too, because it was pretty wobbled out from the screw and the thing being able to move up and down when it cuckooed. It had wobbled that hole out too, so this nail wasn't holding it very tight. It's been, I don't know, 5 minutes or so. What's on the outside is pretty hard. And the screw is holding nice and snug. I can pull it tight to the case and we'll test it out. Alright, let's test it out. See if this bellow is up there where it's supposed to be. Good, not moving anymore. Alright, so that's a quick little fix if your screw holes are worn out. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Hope it helps you guys. Thanks for watching.